Oh, hey everybody, it's me again, your friendly neighborhood sales director, Mike Falco. Okay, so now that we have our emails configured and into Apollo, I want to really stress something here. We do not want to send emails out from our EasyPress.ai email. So, what I need for you guys to do here is ignore that. I need for you to come to your EasyPress.ai email and I need you to click into that. I then need you to go to email sent per day to 0. Okay, everything else is 50 as we discussed in the last video. However, when we add, let's say we add 100 prospects into a sequence, right? Right now, if you have 5 mailboxes, each prospect will get 20 messages. Not good. We don't want EasyPress AI sending out our cold outbound. Okay, so I want you to set this to 0, and then I want you to save your changes, and then from that point forward, anything that's in a sequence will not come out from EasyPress.ai. It'll get redistributed to the other mailboxes that you guys have set up. Okay, please do this. It's very important. We just cannot have EasyPress AI domain health and deliverability get messed up. It's where we live, and if that goes down, we're all in big trouble. So just go ahead and make this quick change here. Did you do it? Are you sure? Double check. Did you save it? Really important. Stop laughing. Okay, thanks. Bye.